Oh no! Have you dropped something down your lint chute? Well, I'm Dustin with the Parts Doctor, and today I'm going to show you how to take off, inspect, and replace the Lint Chute Assembly on your Whirlpool dryer. Don't worry, this also applies to some other great Whirlpool manufactured brands such as Kenmore, Maytag, Amana, and more. So don't worry if you did drop something down there. You're not screwed. If you need to purchase a new Lint Chute Assembly for your Whirlpool dryer, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we offer fast shipping and only sell manufacturer-approved genuine replacement parts for all major appliance brands. Your dryer's Lint Chute Assembly is a long metal duct that not only holds the lint filter in place, but also connects the inside of the dryer to the blower housing. Air is drawn through the duct to the exhaust vent in the back of the appliance. If the Lint Chute Assembly becomes damaged or clogged with lint, dry times may become extended, you could blow a thermal fuse, or even worse, it could become a fire hazard. Tools needed for this repair: 1/4-inch nut driver and a Phillips head screwdriver. Before working on any appliance, please remember to disconnect it from the power. Before you move the dryer, please disconnect the dryer vent hose in the rear of the machine. Before going to the back of the dryer, first pull the lint screen out and remove the 2 Phillips head screws from the top of the dryer. This is a great time to inspect the lint screen to be sure it's not damaged. If there are any rips, tears, or holes, use your dryer's model number to find the correct replacement part on partsdoctor.com. On the rear of the dryer, use a nut driver to remove the 1/4-inch hex head screw holding in the terminal cover plate. Next, remove all the 1/4-inch screws holding the cover panel to the back of the dryer. Carefully remove the back panel and set it aside. The large metal housing on the left side of the dryer is the Lint Chute Assembly. Locate the 4 1/4-inch screws holding the base of the lint chute to the blower housing. Remove all 4 of these screws and the lint chute will be free from the dryer. Slightly lift the lint chute so the bottom clears the small lip on the base of the dryer and guide the chute out. You may have to tilt the dryer forward to remove the chute. This is a great time to clean out the lint chute, blower housing, and blower wheel of any lint or debris that may have slipped past your lint filter. With the lint chute removed, you could see the 2 foam seals. Inspect them and look for any deterioration, gaps, or damage. If either of the seals are damaged, they should be replaced. We will leave a link in the description to the videos on how to replace both of those seals. If you need to purchase a new Lint Chute Assembly, make sure you get a certified manufacturer replacement part like the ones that we sell on our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to be sure that you're using the model number from the tag on your dryer to be sure you get the correct part. Carefully slide the top of the Lint Chute Assembly back into the dryer's cabinet. You may have to tilt the dryer forward to angle the chute in. Slightly lift the back of the lint chute to clear the lip at the base of the dryer's cabinet. Be sure the openings in the lint chute align with the blower housing and lint screen vent, and reinstall the 4 hex head screws in the base of the chute. On top of the dryer, align the lint chute with the 2 screw holes in the top panel and reinstall the 2 Phillips head screws. Be careful not to drop the screws down into the opening. Slide the lint screen back into the lint chute and ensure a proper fit. Reattach the dryer's back panel by screwing in the 1/4-inch hex screws followed by the single fastener at the top of the terminal cover. Reconnect your exhaust vent and plug in your appliance. Well, hopefully this video was able to help you retrieve some of those lost items down your lint chute. Yeah, don't ask about that. Well, I'm Dustin with Parts Doctor. Until next time, thanks for watching and we'll see you later.